Drones are classed as unmanned vehicles. They are often confused as being only quadcopters, but they are in fact any unmanned vehicle being flown either automatically or controlled remotely.
They can be used for a variety of purposes, such as search and rescue missions, photography, and recording. However, with the invention of the internet, the general public are now more aware of individual privacy.
A large number of the general public are questioning the use of drones in public as they are fearful that it can invade their personal privacy.
The use of drones have their individual pros and cons. Here are examples of how drone usage can benefit society. Drones can aid in search and rescue missions. They can be used as a means of transport for goods, and they can also provide safety for citizens.
Drones can be used for dangerous missions across terrain otherwise inaccessible to humans. Drones are currently being used to gain visuals on events like bushfires, floods, and other natural disasters, along with other events such as car crashes. The use of drones replaces the need of reporting helicopters and other aircraft, saving time and resources. With further development, drones could entirely replace the need of large aircraft for news reporting and gathering visuals for important events.
The use of drones in handling and delivering goods to customers would be a great investment for companies that sell online goods such as Amazon. Having these drones would mean that it would be faster, cheaper, and more efficient than the traditional method, which is ground shipping. Take the online market, Amazon, for example. They have started to use drone shipping, and the entire system is being trialed and tested at this very moment.
A new concept that is being tested is the use of drones for navigation. Researchers at MIT used a quadcopter to demonstrate the concept of guidance through a large collection of buildings. The visitor uses an app on a smartphone to call for help, and then a drone assists the user in finding their way.
Welcome to Sensible City Lab.
Drones in a public area can help the emergency response crew to get to a situation that is escalating quickly. Sticky situations such as stabbings, group fights, and robberies can easily and immediately be reported to the police and dealt with accordingly. It can help prevent a lot of unnecessary deaths that occur within our society and help keep our world safer and more secure with immediate response.
Although the citizens of our society can be guarded under the surveillance of the use of drones, many citizens of our society are paranoid that their privacy is being over-invaded and start to feel uncomfortable with drones in their space.
A major negative of using drones is the inappropriate usage of drones, which includes spying and terrorism. Spying is a huge problem with drones since they are so versatile and silent, which makes them virtually undetectable from afar.
Although privacy is the main concern of the use of drones, there are many other disadvantages. Most drones run on petrol, such as the military drones being used in Ukraine and other war-torn areas, as well as commercial drones by Amazon and some other booksellers used to deliver items. Petrol not only produces CFCs and other harmful gases, it is also a fossil fuel. Petrol can have harmful effects on the environment, such as global warming, and could potentially damage the ozone layer.
Ultimately, having drones in the future is worth the investment, but it's not worth sacrificing our privacy. If we somehow do change the thinking process of our privacy, we can implement drones in society without any problems.